Hello everyone, I want to explain the 887 due to rounds B problem, Fibonaccharsis. So Antarsis has received two integers n and k for his birthday. He wonders how many Fibonacci-like sequences of length k can be formed with n as the kth element of the sequence. A sequence is Fibonacci non-decreasing, non-negative integers. So as you can see here, if a sequence of numbers is considered Fibonacci-like if the last two forms the next number. For example, 0 and 1 forms 1, and 1 and 1 forms 2, 1 and 2 forms 3, or any number. It can be started with any number. 3 and 4 forms 7, 4 and 7 forms 11, or just 5 and 10 forms 15. So I think you understood. So for example, the sequences like this and this are considered Fibonacci-like sequences, and these are not. So as you can see here, 0 plus 0 is 0, but 0 plus 0 is not 1. So that's why this is not considered to be Fibonacci-like, and it cannot be formed with negative values, so because it said non-negative integers. And so impress Antarsis by helping him with this task. So now we will first input t as the test cases, and n and k in every line of a test case. So we will do 22 and 4. So as you can see here, it can be done with in 4 ways. First, the ways are shown in the example statement. So as you can see here, 6, 8, 14. So why these are considered Fibonacci-like? Because 6 and 8, if you add them, 14. 8 and 14 is 22. So these are all of them which can be formed with 22 at the 4th position. So now we should write code for this. And so one more thing, and as you can see here, 3 cannot be placed in the 9th place, so it's 0. Now in the problem text, it's binary search and brute force. So that means there are 2 ways for solving this problem. In this video I will show you brute force way. So as you can see here, first we will input n and k numbers and set our answer to be 0, and then we iterate through from 1 to n, including n itself. So we will check whether it can be formed with this value or not. The algorithm looks like this. So we will from 1 to 22, for example, for this example, from 1 to 22 we will do like this. First we will get our answer will be 0 at first, and then we will get 2 integers. First will be so as you can see here, first will be the I, which we are sitting in this. From 1 to 22 we are going, and for example in the first iteration it will be 1, and our second integer will be n itself. So now we will go through this from 2 to the k, including 2 but not k. So now we will get one temporary integer and put second here, and then our second will be first, and first will be temp minus first. So the reason why we are doing this is that at first we will get 22 to be the second, because we are iterating with sliding window like this, and then like this. So to at first, second will be 22, first will be 14, and then second will be 14, and first will be 8. And so we should check whether it's valid or not. So if it's valid, so both of the values should be greater than, should be non-negative. So we will check this, and should first value should be smaller or equal to the second. So we will check if it's valid, we will just break, otherwise we will add 1 to the answer. So at the end we will just print answer. So you can implement this code yourself, and then if you have still problems you can check with my code. The code will be in the comments. Goodbye.